Hey guys, welcome back to Dude We Can Fix It. Today we're going to be diagnosing a misfire. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to hook up our scan tool and see what codes we can read. Now that we have the code reader plugged in, we need to turn the car to the on position, but do not start it. And then we can go ahead and press enter. It will pair with the vehicle, we hope. And then we'll press enter again to read some codes. Read codes. So our first code is P0304, which is cylinder 4 misfire detected. That is the one that we want to start with today. So for this test, go ahead and erase the codes for now. We're going to move the suspected faulty component to another location and see if the code follows it. If you don't have a code reader like the one that I'm using, you can go to O'Reilly's or a different parts store and they will scan your car for free and give you a printout with the probable solutions. So our most probable cause is an ignition coil failure, and our second most probable cause is a bad spark plug. So we're going to swap the suspected faulty coil with a different coil, run the engine, and then see if the code follows the faulty component. If it does, we know we have a bad ignition coil and we can change it out. If it doesn't, then we're going to suspect a bad spark plug. We need to remove this engine cover so that we can access the ignition coils. There are two 10mm nuts holding this on. So now we can see our 4 ignition coils. But how do you know which one is number 4, the faulty coil? If you find your serpentine belt, which is over here on this passenger side of this sideways mounted engine, you'll start from the serpentine belt with number 1, 2, 3, and then 4. In our case, we're looking for number 4, which is this one right here. We're going to remove this 10mm bolt, disconnect this electrical connector, and then swap this one with number 3, run the car, and see if the code comes back. Now I'm simply going to swap these 2 ignition coils. So on this car, I had to push this plastic rail in a little bit to clear this flange. Alright, so I let the engine run and the code changed to a P0304, which is a cylinder 3 misfire. Since we moved this faulty coil pack from the cylinder 4 location, where it was reading a cylinder 4 misfire, then we moved it to the cylinder 3 location, and now we're having a cylinder 3 misfire. The common denominator is this coil pack. So we're going to go ahead and replace this with a new one. If your code did not follow the coil pack, I would suspect a faulty spark plug on cylinder 4. Now, if you have an older car or a truck, you might find that you have coil packs and then you have spark plug wires instead of these boots. Usually, these boots are not serviceable and you have to replace the entire coil pack. These spark plug wires often fail and you need to inspect them as well as the coil pack and the spark plug in your ignition system. Simply remove these from your vehicle, make sure that the contacts in both ends are in good shape, and look for any rips or tears in the wire itself or the boots on each end. If you have a faulty spark plug wire, go ahead and replace the entire set. If that doesn't fix your issue, proceed by swapping your ignition coils around and trying to isolate the issue. If that doesn't fix the problem, check out our next video where we change out the spark plugs and resolve your misfire issues. Thanks for watching Dude We Can Fix It. Stay tuned for more instructionals on how to fix your vehicle, and as always, Dude We Can Fix It.